Hi friends, in this video I'm going to talk about selection statements. So these selection statements we can also call it as decision making and branching. Selection statements we can also call it as decision making and branching. So till now we have been dealing with sequential execution of program, like step-by-step execution of program. That is nothing but every statement in the program would be executed sequentially, like first step, second step, third step, fourth step, like that. So that means a statement can be executed only after execution of the previous statement, right? Okay, so every statement is executed like that. So, and each statement executed only once. Okay, so every statement executed one by one, and each statement executed only one time. At the same time, we need to control the sequence. We need to control the sequence of execution as well as instructions. Okay, so that is the reason we had to learn about one of the tool of C language and one of the basic fundamental concept of the C language, that is nothing but selection statement. Okay, simple terms, what is a selection statement? Selection statement is nothing but taking decision. So we had to put some kind of control in the program. Okay, decision making statements in C language means selection statements. So all selection statements are based on the keyword is called if. Okay, so we need to take some kind of actions our program. Okay, so how to take actions in real life? Actions in real life. So if we win the match, we are going to be celebrate. Okay, if highway is free, so we will go by more speed, like 90 kilometers, 100 kilometers as per our requirement. So if food is tasty, then we are going to be eat more. So this is the way we are going to take the actions in our real life, right? So in the similar manner, if you want to write any decision in the program, we need selection statement. So this is the basic introduction about selection statement, and selection statements are classified into three types. C language, selection statements are classified into three types. So that is nothing but the first one we can call it as unidirection decision control structure. So in the simple terms we can call it as one way if statement. And the next one is called bidirectional decision control structure. In simple terms we can call it as two-way if statement, right? And the third one we can call it as multi-directional control structure. So simple terms we can call it as multi-way if statement. So here we are expecting simple if. Okay, here we are expecting if else statement. Here we are expecting if else ladder statement as well as nested if. So total we have four types of if statements. So in the next video we are going to dealing with each and every if statement with different kind of examples. I hope you understand what is a basic selection statement and why we have to use selection statement. We should take decision in the program. So far we are executed sequentially and each line executed only one time. Okay, so to execute one line many times, or we had to avoid the sequential execution. Okay, that means every statement in the program would be executed sequentially in previously, but we should take a decision. We need if statement. So if is one type of keyword used for to take decision in the program. So this is the video of today, guys. So for the next video, we'll talk about simple if statement.